Hey everyone, my name is Sagar. I hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to share my seventh strategy where I generate leads from Facebook organic method. Now it is completely free leads, and I have never invested anything on ads to promote my affiliate products, anything whatever I promote as affiliate. So let's get started. And I request you to watch till the end, and I am going to give you a system which help you to automate your organic marketing, right? So it is a premium tool, but I'm giving you for free. So wait till the end, and definitely you will get value, right? So let's get started and just quickly share my screen. In the meantime, you can hit subscribe to get notifications of any future videos where I share about affiliate marketing, sales funnels, Facebook organic, any organic marketing where you can generate traffic. So here it is. Okay, let's get started. So I have figured out like what are the top seven strategy I use to generate leads. I use normally so many things to generate traffic, but these are the seven top which help me to generate leads and get sales. And most importantly, this is the targeted leads, not any random leads you get. And I'll share. Okay, so traffic always matter. Every entrepreneur wants that they need traffic. They struggle at traffic. They have a product, they have system, but they don't have traffic. They don't have customer to uh, pay them for their services, their products, anything. So now question is how to get traffic. And but when you start your journey, it is very painful to spend on ads for the traffic, right? And I'll tell you like how I am able to generate free targeted leads without spending dime on ads from Facebook. So why first we need to understand why Facebook organic. So Facebook organic is something very helpful for new marketer, and it is very easy to implement. And definitely there is a no investment, quite similar to the first one. And when you do Facebook organic, because people say that it is very difficult, people have Facebook has decreased their organic reach, but I would say if you understand their algorithm, it definitely there is so much of opportunity still there, right? So you have to understand that algorithm. So when you do market, you understand the Facebook algorithm in a very closer way. Now definitely it is not only the Facebook, and you should not be only rely upon only one traffic. Any time can this can shut down, right? So definitely it can also uh, complement your other channels like YouTube, blogging, Instagram, whatever you have. And this is the reason big I like Facebook organic, because I interact with my customer with a very closer way. I talk to them on Facebook Messenger. I understand their pain, their frustrations, their desire, right, in a very close way, so that I get feedback from them and I create a marketing message for them and solution for them. And targeted list, I want only the people who I wanted to target, right? So I'll tell you like how I get targeted leads. Okay, now let's get into the seven ways where I generate through Facebook leads. So first one, the foremost one is very simple. That is, to first you need to optimize your Facebook profile. Let's suppose when you do lots of activities on your Facebook, and people wanted to see like who is this person, right? And when they visit your profile and you don't have any call to actions, and they'll just it is kind of the bounce rate of your website, right? So that if you have a right call to action, right funnel, so that definitely it will help you to generate leads on also sales in the backend. So what I do is I don't directly promote any product in the front end. I try to promote my Facebook group by giving away free courses, right? So you just what I do is I just you can see that this is my Facebook group link, and as a funnel, you should not confuse your customer, right? A confused mind always say no. I'll repeat again, a confused mind always say no. So do not confuse by putting so many links. You can see this is a like my Facebook group link. This is a Linktree link. This is also direct to the Facebook group, and my feature image also says that. So there are three call to action, four call to actions, all leads to my Facebook group, right? So that is the main objective of your Facebook profile, right? And you have to optimize that, and I have already template for that. Now what you can do is after this video I'll share all the templates, like how you can design your cover image and feature image, already pre-made template in Canva. I'll share in the descriptions. Okay, next is Facebook group. So I have created a group. I was doing only face profile, but I feel I have to create a community. As an entrepreneur, when you create a community, that builds your authority, that definitely people uh, feel free to share something with your like close community, and sometimes uh, they don't share with their friends, family, and they are very much open to share in the group, right? So community is something uh, also help to build a relationship, build their connections, build network, right, which can help them to grow in their journey. So definitely this community is all about like sales funnel, affiliate marketing, and traffic. So I almost there are 335 members are there, and I have created it's a learning management system. Like you can see the unit sections, the announcement sections are helping them to uh, uh, learn there like what they wanted to learn, and right. And yeah, now the Facebook profile funnel. This is something very unique things. You might know this, but I have created something like this. When somebody click on the first profile link, the group link, it will direct to my group and it will ask some questions. It will not uh, directly enter to my group right away, because I wanted the people who know my niche. Because the group is very niche. It is not any generic group, right? So I asked some questions. I asked three questions, right? I'll tell you what are the questions to qualify them so that I'll get qualified or targeted list. That's the reason why I told you in the first page, I generate targeted leads, collect email IDs. There's a I don't have any landing page here in the group link, but this group has something system that actually collect leads for me, and I have automated software which extract to my Excel sheet. Then I put it into my autoresponder. Then export to autoresponder, which actually helped me to and share the free trainings and email sequences. Then I can sell them in the later. And yeah, so what in email, when I ask email, I ask, okay, I'll give you a free training, and then that free training has a lot of value, where they learn how sales funnel work, how they can design a sales funnel in ClickFunnels, and they learn this, right? When they get value, they want more, right? And I have a welcome video which also has a free training. So this is the questions basically I ask. I removed for question number one. Uh, okay, so like what is the biggest problem you are facing? What is the email address so that I can send you free training? So this is also like filter questions so that people answer them and I approve them later. Welcome video has a like, okay, it has a like welcoming new people, and definitely it has a free gift, so they can start learning for free, no charges. And this is the training I give them. When they see, okay, they are these are all the free training, and then there are some other training are available in the resources, but when they want more, they have to pay something. Like this is the challenge, like I promote one fun level challenge. This is a paid training. When they click here, so I have affiliate link so that I can get sales. So this is the complete funnel. You say start from my Facebook profile to Facebook group to free training to paid upsell, right? So these are the like bonuses I give only through me. Like, hey, I have a bonuses only through me if you go through my affiliate link. So this is the like to like uh, to sell something when you upsell, and giving you bonuses, giving you support so that they will get more value and sales. Now, the fourth way, that is, I can say, engaging content. Engaging content only can be possible when you hit two things. That is, you can hit their desire and their pain points. Every people, every audience of yours, mine, anything, they have a two things in their life. Either they are running away from their pain, their frustrations, and they are running towards their desire, right? So you have to figure it out these 2 points, then you can create engaging content. So I just ask in Black Friday sale that, hey, uh, do you want the same script that Russell Brunson has generated $3.2 million in 90 minutes? So this is something like sales script. I definitely want it. I wanted to also generate that kind of sales. This is a desire. I hit that, and people started commenting within 30 minutes. I think I got some 30, 40 comments. Right? Now you think like like you say organic doesn't work. See, there I got almost 76 comments, right, in this post. And this one post, I can say, helped me to get into the top 20 of Black Friday ClickFunnels competitions, right? And so that, so sometimes things works, and sometimes you put the right way and right place in front of the right audience. That helped me to generate like sales, and within this is my profile post, right? This helped me to generate good sales. This is a recent post which the tool I'm going to give you at the end, right? The premium software lead magnet actually grow your email list. But till then, this is going to give. So within 1 days, it like crossed 60 comments, right? So that's how like the organic marketing works. Now the sixth strategy that I use, that invite guest, a guest speaker. So sometimes when I feel that okay, I always talk, go Facebook Live and post. Sometimes they don't listen. Maybe every time it is very difficult to convince your um, customer to listen to you, right? But when I invite some new people, like people started listening to them, right? They wanted to see like what are the conversations going on. And you don't have to be expert, right thing. And when you don't know any topic, what you can do, okay, you don't know about email marketing, what you can do, you can just ask a email marketer to share their knowledge in your group, right? Something like that. So that what happens, like you will also get knowledge, your audience will get knowledge, and you will build an authority that you do interview, you do uh, the have you invite the expert into your group. So this is something leveraging other people knowledge in front of your audience, right? So this is I do basically, and to invite from across the world. Regular publishing, yeah, definitely publishing is something which is one of my biggest weapon, and I do Facebook Live more, uh, other than value post and other medium. I will not recommend you to do everything at the moment, but pick one thing what you are good at. Uh, you are good at writing, or you love to read something, then start writing at least 1,000 words or 500 words per day, or maybe with 2 to 3 times in a way. At least you should post something so that people will say like, oh, you are like active on it, so that you will get noticed, right? So I do everyday live. I have taken the challenge of 365 days, that okay, I'll do it for next 365 days, and I have already crossed more than 160 plus, right? So that is the thing. I get trust with my audience, and it helped me to definitely give value, and get people get so much of value. And then definitely whenever I ask them, I recommend them any product, they jump and they buy. So that's the power of giving value, and then you ask for sales. Building an authority in other group, this is a very vast topic, but I'll squeeze it into few points, right? I'll take another session on this specific topic. So finding the right group is important. Niche group means your audience. You have to figure it out who is your target audience. If you cannot identify that who is your audience, it is very difficult for you to survive in the market. Right? Who is for that persons you wanted to solve? That something you might have crossed, you might have overcome in your life. That can be your product, right? Your mess become your message, right? So find out that thing, that who is your audience, right? And target them and find out some niche group. I'll share that the good tool that I figured out, that is later. But you can just search on Facebook, search, and that what are the groups available in your niche. Find it out that keyword, right? So, and active group is more important rather than just joining with thousands of people in any group. See how every group, when you search, there is okay 5 posts per day, 10 posts per day, 100 posts per day. So find out some active group where actually you will get more eyeball, right? Otherwise, if you go to a group something like 1 or 2 posts in a week, that it will not help you to generate leads. Right? So go to active group. Mostly challenge group is hyperactive, so they are like, it is very great way to get attention. And put a valuable comment. So in the groups, normally what people ask questions, right? People ask their queries, solve them with the valuable comments. So not only that persons will sometimes visit your profile, but also other people will see your profile. And if your profile has a right call to actions, then definitely you can generate leads. Creating a value post also helps, like what are the problem you can solve in that particular group. And calling out means, let's suppose, hey, how many of you wanted to learn email marketing? I am, so just, so that kind of also, you don't have to just share in links, but when you connect with them, excuse me, then it will create a good connection. Then you can later on, definitely you can sell them. Yeah, that is the most important thing in any business. Like help them, value them, serve them, solve the problem, and then only sales comes. Now, the most important part. Now, I have just completed the 7 strategy, whatever I do. But recently, with after working at least 1 week this with this funnel, this is completely 90 to 95% done for you system, which help you to automate your organic marketing, organic Facebook, organic marketing. So how it will help? So basically, this is the extension which help you to put happy birthday wish to your friends whenever. So definitely you cannot. It is very difficult to wish everybody in your friend list, right? So what you can do is you can just run this software in the backend and it will work, and it will help them to help to post on your friend's timeline. Now, what Facebook sees that when you post their timeline, they will revert back, right, with thank you or some heart in the post. When Facebook see there is a two-way conversations going on, now Facebook would start showing your post in the future, because Facebook doesn't show everybody your post unless they engage with you, right? So this is the one of the greatest way of marketing, like uh, so this completely automated software, and this software actually sells in the owner site. It is a $47 software, and I'm giving it to for free because I got the private level rights to give you for free, right? Definitely, it will help you to generate 3 to 4 commissions, affiliate commissions in the backend, right? If you implement the system, right, you can download it, the software and install it, you can run it. But if you wanted to implement the same system for your audience, if you're affiliate marketer, definitely it will help you to build your list, or also add to your bonuses as a offer, as a uh, free giveaway, right? So this is for today. I hope you got lots of value, and I have told you that I will create the Facebook group growth. How you can grow your business with Facebook group. That I'll create a different business video. If you want that, just let me know in the comment section, and please tell us at the feedback that what is this strategy I have shared today. Is it really helpful for you? Can you implement it? Sometimes it feels that it is very hectic, very lengthy process, but I would say once you implement all systems one by one, definitely you see there the automated sales will going to come uh, to your way, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.